How do I create my own holiday flyer in Bonton Holidays? To design a flyer, log into your B2B account. Now from here go to Holidays section. Select the destination along with departure date, nights and travelers. In this case, I have chosen Dubai for 2 adults and 3 nights on 11th November. Click on Search. Here you will see the packages. Select appropriate package and click on View More. From here just click on Make Your Own Flyer. There you go. You will see your own flyer along with the different format and colors. Click on Download and share with your clients, groups and connections.